Hello guys, it's Kylie, and I just woke up a couple hours ago. This is what my puppy does when he doesn't want to be in his crate. I don't know if you just heard him. He stopped because he heard me, but I'm going to go out to the shop and puppy and run on the treadmill / wow, that's really, really bright. Run on the treadmill or walk and then pump the guns. Just kidding, but, puppy. Don't pee in here? Okay. That would be really bad. Okay. Oh. So I'm going outside right now. Do you see all the snow behind me? It's insane. I'm probably going to fall on the ice, and that would be really bad. Let's go, puppies. So I'm going out to the shop where the treadmill is. I get ice. I'm wearing flip-flops, which probably isn't a good idea, considering the fact that there's snow. This is nothing compared to what it was the other day. Oh, good puppy. He's peeing. On Wednesday, it was the first day it snowed, and we seriously had like a foot, and we haven't got any snow since, or like that was more snow than we've got in like the last 5 years combined. And it was crazy. Okay. Oh gosh, my feet just sunk into a bunch of snow. Come on, ducks. Did puppy come in? Yep. All right. Okay. So my dad's like building a bar in here, and that's the process of it. But yeah, so I'm about to run on the treadmill. I will talk to you guys later. But oh, that looks cool. Bye.